Forget everything you think you know about luxury cars. We're about to fast forward to 2026 and unveil the vehicles that will set the new standard for opulent travel. These aren't just cars, they're mobile sanctuaries brimming with never-before-seen technology and breathtaking design. Prepare to be amazed. Welcome to Auto Future Insights. The world of luxury cars is shifting, and by 2026, the landscape will be transformed in ways we never thought possible. From sustainable opulence to hyper-personalized driving experiences, luxury sedans will no longer just be about prestige, they'll also focus on innovation. Expect massive leaps in technology, including advanced AI, cutting-edge battery tech, and fully autonomous capabilities. These 5 sedans represent the pinnacle of this evolution, each blending futuristic design with next-gen luxury and performance. Let's dive into the top contenders that will define the future of automotive elegance. Number 5, Jaguar Electric GT, Luxury EV. Jaguar's first all-electric luxury sedan, the Electric GT, is a stunning glimpse into the future of sustainable driving. At its core, this car embraces Jaguar's signature design language, mixing athleticism with sophistication. With a sleek, aerodynamic profile and an elegant cabin, the Electric GT delivers performance without compromising luxury. One of the standout features is the next-gen augmented reality display, which transforms the entire windshield into an interactive information hub. As you drive, real-time navigation, traffic data, and even vehicle health stats are projected onto the glass, offering a truly futuristic driving experience. The car's cabin is equally impressive, featuring materials sourced from sustainable sources, including recycled leather and innovative plant-based fabrics. These sustainable touches don't detract from the luxury, if anything, they enhance it, showing that eco-conscious design can exist harmoniously with premium comfort. Unlike some other electric vehicles, the Jaguar Electric GT offers a high level of customizability in its features, from seat layouts to mood lighting, allowing drivers to fine-tune their in-car experience. This focus on personalized comfort makes it a true contender in the electric luxury sedan space. Number 4, Polestar 5, High-Performance BEV. The Polestar 5, a high-performance luxury BEV, battery electric vehicle, is designed for those who crave precision engineering and thrilling driving dynamics. Its exterior blends sharp, aerodynamic lines with a minimalistic, futuristic design. It's not just a car, it's an expression of electric performance in its purest form. One of the most innovative features of the Polestar 5 is its self-parking system, which allows the car to autonomously find its parking space and park itself, saving time and reducing stress. Whether it's a tight urban parking lot or an upscale parking garage, this system makes parking a breeze. Inside, the Polestar 5 elevates luxury with high-tech cabin materials, including vegan upholstery and a sustainable, yet ultra-luxurious, wood inlay option. The materials used not only reduce environmental impact but also offer a level of refinement rarely seen in electric vehicles. The Polestar 5 takes sustainable luxury to the next level, offering a high-performance driving experience without compromising on eco-conscious design. In contrast to the Jaguar Electric GT, which focuses heavily on futuristic tech features like augmented reality displays, the Polestar 5 emphasizes performance and intuitive self-parking technology, offering a more hands-off, high-performance driving experience. Number 3, Cadillac Celestiq, Ultra-Luxury Electric. The Cadillac Celestiq is the epitome of American luxury in the electric age, combining bold design, ultra-luxury features, and groundbreaking technology. As an ultra-luxury electric sedan, it boasts a full suite of cutting-edge features, including an AI-powered personal assistant capable of predicting your needs before you even ask. The Celestiq's interior is a haven of refinement, featuring ultra-soft leather, custom-designed upholstery, and an intuitive, minimalistic dashboard that prioritizes both ease of use and style. But what really sets this vehicle apart is its transformative backseat experience. Rear seat passengers can enjoy fully reclining chairs, personalized climate control, and even a 5G-enabled entertainment suite, making long trips feel like a first-class experience. In terms of performance, the Celestiq offers a truly smooth and silent ride thanks to its advanced electric powertrain. It also delivers remarkable speed, thanks to dual motors that provide over 600 horsepower, perfect for those who desire a blend of luxury and performance. What makes the Celestiq truly groundbreaking, however, is its holistic approach to sustainability. From its energy-efficient manufacturing processes to its interior materials, every aspect of this vehicle is designed with a commitment to reducing environmental impact without sacrificing luxury. Number 2. 2026 BMW 3 Series/i3 Neue Class. The 2026 BMW 3 Series, also known as the i3 in its fully electric form, ushers in a new era for the iconic sedan, combining BMW's legendary performance with the future of electrification. The Neue Class 3 Series features revolutionary powertrain technology, including a next-gen battery that improves range, efficiency, and charging speed, setting new benchmarks for the segment. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of advanced tech and refined luxury. BMW's commitment to sustainable materials is evident, with interiors crafted from recycled textiles, natural fibers, and leather alternatives. The driver experience is enhanced by an intuitive AI-driven infotainment system that learns and adapts to the user's preferences, providing real-time suggestions for everything from climate control to driving routes. On the road, the 3 Series i3 delivers BMW's signature driving dynamics, offering smooth handling, fast acceleration, and a quiet, enjoyable ride. Whether you choose the electric i3 or the hybrid 3 Series, this vehicle balances everyday practicality with high-end luxury and performance. What truly sets this sedan apart is its ability to blend the best of BMW's driving experience with an electric future, making it ideal for owners who want the thrill of driving without compromising on sustainability. Number 1. 2026 Lexus ES, Hybrid and All-Electric. Taking the top spot is the 2026 Lexus ES, which redefines the future of luxury sedans with its hybrid and all-electric variants. This vehicle is not only about eco-consciousness but also about creating an unrivaled driving experience. The standout feature? A fully customizable modular interior that adapts to your personal style and needs. The 2026 ES offers an advanced soundscaping system, creating a serene, almost meditative atmosphere with a choice of calming ambient sounds that adjust based on your preferences. Combined with fully autonomous driving capabilities, this sedan allows you to sit back and relax, whether you're driving through the city or cruising down a highway. Safety and security are top priorities, with Lexus's cutting-edge biometric features, ensuring that only authorized individuals can drive the vehicle. Whether you're using the hybrid model for extended range or the all-electric version for zero emissions, the Lexus ES offers a smooth, luxurious ride that's both sustainable and high-tech. With its holistic approach to luxury, technology, and sustainability, the Lexus ES is poised to influence the entire luxury car market and set the standard for the next generation of high-end sedans. These top 5 future luxury sedans are redefining what it means to drive in style, blending groundbreaking tech, sustainability, and opulence like never before. From AI-driven assistants to fully electric powertrains, each of these vehicles represents a leap forward in luxury automotive engineering. Which of these future sedans is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting updates on the future of luxury cars.